Today, we will be testing the EMA Cumulative Volume Crossover. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the EMA Cumulative Volume Crossover. But before we do, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 590 indicators, with 244 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the EMA Cumulative Volume Crossover. I struggle on the cumulative part of that indicator there. Anyways, so what we're looking at here is the EMA, so an exponential moving average, and then we have the cumulative volume oscillating line, basically. And so what we have is the coloration, the background coloration, coincides with the crossover. And so when we have the light blue, that is the I'm not sure if it's the EMA. Let's see, let's double so yes, when the EMA is on top, then we get the light blue background. When the EMA is below, then we get this purplish background. And so basically what we're looking for is when we get a light blue background, we're going to go long. When we get a purple background, then we are going to go short. So pretty easy. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal that we picked up was a long signal. Right here we see we get that light blue background there when the EMA crosses up above, and we get a slight push to the upside, just enough to get us to take profit before we get that heavy push to the downside. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so the second one we pick up is a short signal. kind of same deal there. We get that cross to the downside. We get that nice purple background. And we enter right here. We get a nice little push to the downside there. That gets us to take profit on this one as well. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version, and you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at our indicator here. Alright, so pretty easy there. We'll turn off the background coloration. And so we have 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 trades altogether. And we have 1 and 2 winners. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria. Definitely wish this would have given us more trades within 1 year's time. 3 really is not that much, and so it would have been nice if we could have gotten some more trades out of it, kind of see where exactly this was going to go. But of course, in the next step of the testing, we will put it through a more thorough test, because obviously this one is going on the yes list. And so we will move on to the next indicator from here.